Okay, we have to consider the second question. If the paper of four students, if the papers of four students can be, papers of four students can be checked by any one of the seven teachers, then the probability that all four papers are checked by exactly two teachers. All four papers are checked by exactly two teachers is 12 by 49, 6 by 49, 9 by 49, 15 by 49. There are papers of four students. Seven teachers are available. So our problem is that all the four papers are checked by exactly two teachers. What is the probability? See here. Here total the number of outcomes in sample space. Total is all the papers can be checked by one teacher. All the four papers can be checked by other teacher. All the four papers can be checked by third teacher, fourth teacher, so on. So there are seven teachers totally. Each one correct all the four papers. Totally 7 raised to 4. It is constant raised to variable total outcome, because 7 is constant here, because number of teachers is constant here, constant raised to variable, because first person may evaluate the paper all the four, second person may, like this is 7 teachers is constant, number of papers checked by each is, it is variable, therefore constant raised to variable 7 raised to 4. 7 is constant, variable is 4 here. Now, by number of possible ways by 2 teachers to evaluate all the 4 papers is 7 C2. Any under C2, two teachers at a time. Among 7, 2 teachers at a time. But he has asked exactly 2 teachers. Exactly 2 teachers into 2 raised to 4. Among these, in 7C2, many things will happen. Here exactly 2 means, by exactly 2 among 10, 7 teachers, it is 2, exactly 2, in raised to 4, because 4 papers are there, which will be evaluated by 2 teachers. But among these 2, one teacher may evaluate all the papers. Another teacher may evaluate all the papers. There are both of them have to evaluate 4 papers necessarily. But one teacher may evaluate all the 4 papers. Another second teacher may evaluate all the 4 papers. How many such possibilities are there? By teacher A, all the 4 papers. By teacher B, all the 4 papers. There are 2 ways. Such 2 ways to be deleted. Evaluation of all the papers by one teacher and evaluation of all the papers by another teacher. Only one cannot do. Such 2 possibilities are there. Evaluating all the 4 papers by one teacher and by other teacher. That too you have to subtract here. Here 7C2 means among 7, how many teachers should be chosen? 7C2 ways. Our question is, if the papers of 4 students can be checked by any one of the 7 teachers, then the probability that all the 4 papers are checked by exactly 2 teachers. Any one of the 7 teachers among 7, so 2 to be chosen. But our question is exactly 2, not any 2, exactly 2. For that you need to multiply 2 raised to 4. In this 2 raised to 4, such cases are there. Suppose A teacher is there, B teacher is there. Among these 2 raised to 4 possibility, he may evaluate all the 4 papers and B may evaluate all the 4 papers. Such 2 possibilities should be subtracted. These 2 possibilities should be subtracted here. Therefore, 7C2 is equal to 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 2, 5 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 raised to 4 is 16. 16 minus 2 is 14. That's equal to 7 factorial is 7 into 6 into the whole divided by here it is 7 raised to 4. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided into 14 here because this 14 divided by 5 factorial into 2 factorial is 2 into 1 into 7 raised to 4. 1 7 get cancelled here and 5 factorial get cancelled. It is 14 6 24 84. 84 divided by this is 2 into 7 cube. That's equal, this is 84. 84 divided by 2 into 7 cube is equal to 84 divided by 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. If you simplify this one, you will get 6 by 49. 6 by 49. So the option B is correct here. If you cancel these things, 2 ones are 2, 42s are. Next, this is after cancelling this one, you will get 6 divided by 49. 7 ones are 7 6 are. Isn't it? 7 ones are 7 6 are 42. 6 is remainder divided by 7 7s are 49. So the final option is 6 divided by 49. Second option is correct.